Caillou gets a Nate date requested by Dora / featuring Cello Baby. Enjoy the video, guys. Hey Caillou. You have school tomorrow? I hope you studied for your test.
Yes, Dad, I did.
Good. Now go to bed. It's already so late.
Okay. Good night,
Caillou.
Good night, Dad.
The next day.
Finally, it's the next day. Let's get ready for school.
When Caillou is ready for school.
Hey, Dad. I'm ready for school.
Good. Now y'all go and have fun in school. Okay?
Okay.
When Caillou and Rosie gets to school.
Okay, Caillou, I'm going to my class. See you in lunchtime. And I hope you get an A in your test.
Aw, thank you, Rosie. See ya.
See ya.
Good morning, class. So is everyone ready for their test?
Yes, Miss Martins. I'm ready.
Good. Let's start the test then.
After they're done with tests.
Let's see. How you did, Caillou?
Oh. Miss Martins, what's wrong?
Oh, Caillou, you've got an A.
What? Yeah. Thank you, Miss Martins.
You're welcome, Caillou. Keep up the good work, kid.
Hey Caillou,
Yes?
would you like to go on a date with me?
Yes! Yeah. I'd love to.
Thank you.
You're welcome.